Hey, my name is James Thornock and I'm business manager here at Coder Kids. I absolutely love my job. I do a lot of different things. So I do hiring, I build partnerships with new schools and community centers and churches, and I also teach some classes and I train our instructors. So I do a lot at Coder Kids, but I love all of it. My favorite part though, if I had to pick just the absolute most favorite thing, it would be being in the classroom and being able to watch as a student has one of those light bulb moments where it goes off for them. The code blocks, they click together and they can see something happen that they've never seen before. And the coolest part was they realized that they created it, that they did it. And I just love that because that is the moment when a child realizes that they can build something in the world. And so I get to see that all the time. And I love to tell you parents about it because you don't always get to be there in that exact moment. So that is gotta be my favorite part of any day. Yeah, that's it.